Hey everyone, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products in the same category to help you make smarter buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison between two robot vacuum cleaners, the Tikom Robot Vacuum and the Roomba Combo J5. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons, so let's dive right in. The Tikom Robot Vacuum is priced at $299, while the Roomba Combo J5 comes in at $599. The Tikom Robot Vacuum offers great value for its price, but the Roomba Combo J5 does come with additional features and capabilities. Both vacuum cleaners offer the convenience of combining vacuuming and mopping in one machine. However, the Tikom Robot Vacuum's mopping technology and adjustable water output give it an edge in this category. While both models have smart navigation, the Tikom Robot Vacuum's gyroscope smart navigation with the efficient zigzag path provides a more thorough cleaning experience compared to the Roomba Combo J5's advanced navigation. If you have pets, the Roomba Combo J5's Pet Owner Official Promise (POOP) and the ability to avoid pet waste are valuable features that provide extra convenience and peace of mind. Overall, the Tikom Robot Vacuum is highly effective and efficient with outstanding cleaning capabilities and advanced mapping technology. It offers a hassle-free cleaning experience. On the other hand, the Roomba Combo J5 provides thorough cleaning with intelligent navigation and a helpful app. It is highly recommended, but the mop has limitations. And there you have it, a comparison between the Tikom Robot Vacuum and the Roomba Combo J5. Both models offer unique features and capabilities, so it's important to consider your specific needs and budget when making a decision. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons and buying guides. Let us know in the comments which product you prefer or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and we'll see you in the next video.